Hello, and this is my week 4 Enhancement 3 submission video. First off, we're going to go and test my account. As you can see, it goes to the accounts.index.php page, but has an action tied to it that goes to this login PHP page. You can see that it has fields to enter an email address and a password. Then you could also click login. I don't have anything else after this because we don't know where we're going to go from there, but you can also, if you don't have an account, you can create an account. And you can see it says please fill out all fields. And if you go create, it would just take you back to the home page for right now, but you can easily change that. The second part is that the CSS needs to be valid. So you can see that the CSS is valid. We can also show you that the local HTML is valid. And if we go to the create account page and validate this HTML, it is also valid. And if we went to the home page, you can see it went back to the action.home page and validate this HTML. It is valid. And that is it for my Enhancement 3 submission video.